Hey guys, Tony, how's everybody doing? I did want to start looking a little bit into more stable stocks. Oops, sorry, a little bit more into stable stocks like Walmart, Target, Coke, Boeing, things like that. Well, actually, not even Boeing. Boeing's been going down a lot, but I wanted to look at Walmart and just kind of get a rough idea of because it usually gives me a pretty good idea of where the overall market is going. Usually, if Walmart and Target, things like Coke or Starbucks, show signs of moving in an upward direction, that usually means that the full market overall is actually looking at continuing its run to the upside, right? That's usually what it means. As far as stable positions being like Walmart, Target, and as long as they show that they're continuously going up or staying on trend, usually the whole market tends to follow relatively quickly, or at least pretty close, right? Actually, give me a second. I think I've just finished running, so I need to get my fingers up, like, away from the sweatiness of this, right? So the weekly hasn't been extremely consistent over the last couple of over the last couple of, what is it called, weeks or so. I can tell you guys that I do think that as of right now, Walmart is looking like it's gonna run to the upside. Usually what happens is I take the weekly on the reverse MACD, I get a general direction and kind of go about that way. But as of right now, it seems like it's having very short spurts in movement, right? Like you can see, like there's an obvious pattern, right? $17 upward movement in 28 days, $18 upward movement in 63 days, $18 upward movement in 77 days. This one actually ended up being a little bit faster than the ones before at 28 days, a $17 move. So I think roughly we can kind of expand on this and say that between $17.74 and $18 is the move that we're more than likely going to be seeing on this next run up, because we are closing a bullish week this week, right? It seems pretty obvious that we are. We can take the low that we actually have here. We can run it up, I think, at most like 77 days. So we're looking at a February 14th around Valentine's Day, a move up there. Let's go with like a 17.95 again. So I can definitely see us running from just historical moves. I do think Walmart is going to be running back to around 153, essentially creating brand new highs, right? Because we have a high here of 150, a high of 152.57, and then we have a high here of 150 as well. But I think we are going to be breaking the all-time highs for Walmart, which kind of gives me an idea that the SPY and the overall market is going to be moving to the upside as well. I can kind of guess that this is more than likely the direction that we're going to be looking at. Even on the monthly too, like it does look like, I mean, so you can see this. Yeah, roughly a little bit higher. I don't think that we're going to be going all the way up to like right here, which is that next fib level on the forecast. But yeah, if I had to guess, see, even here, the bear triggers and bull triggers aren't really doing anything. You're just seeing a consistent move on Walmart to the upside. So I have to use the weekly to actually give us a really good understanding, right? And then plus, this is like, I think there's multiple times that we've already bounced off trend, right? We have one over here, we have the second touch, and then we have the third touch happening right now. And then I can guarantee you there's definitely, look at that, see? We have the very first touch right here also. So yeah, I can definitely say that I'm very, very bullish on Walmart. You have a lot of room to run the stochastic. I say easy. I think by February 14th, we can definitely see an all-time high on Walmart. Like I said, $153 by like mid-February. But again, doing a TA on Walmart is really just kind of to get a really good understanding of where the overall market is going to push to. If things like Target, Starbucks, Coke, if all those, very stable stocks are showing upward momentum, it means the overall market is going to keep running to the upside. So definitely bullish on Walmart to 153 by mid-February. I think there's like a 95% chance this is gonna hit. I think I would be pretty confident in Walmart actually running to these levels, especially after this weekly close. And it's been pretty. If you actually look at the reverse MACD, it's been pretty accurate for a very long time now, since March of this year. It's been respecting it pretty well, right? So there's no reason for me to think that it's not going to, respect. The indicators that it's giving me to run to this 153 of all-time high. So yeah, if I had to guess or if I had a forecast on Walmart, I'd say it hits 153 easy by mid-February, if not sooner. So I'll see you guys later. Have a good day. Bye-bye.